So Barclays sees further downside risk in NEO stock to uh, this $4 level. Recently, NEO reported a big decline in Q1 deliveries from a year ago, and in the last 3 months alone, prices are down 50%. So big picture, this is the monthly chart. As long as price stays below this downtrend line, which started in August of last year, one cannot get long. Now the good news is that prices is in a what we're going to call an accumulation area, meaning prices are selling at a steep discount. And I've written and did many videos on NEO. $6 was my original target. However, price finds itself a lot lower than that. Now what I'm looking for is a W pattern, which is a bullish reversal pattern indicated by a double bottom, very similar to what we saw in 2020, as confirmation that the bottom is in. Now before we continue with the analysis, let's quickly look at this article. So you had this analyst, Jiong Shao. He downgraded the EV company to underweight and thinks that there's further declines. His target is $4, which represents a additional 15% downside risk. The bearish call on the NEO stock arrives only a day after the EV firm reported a 40% sequential decline in its quarterly deliveries. Now, Shao was particularly disappointed because the report signaled not so encouraging demand, even though the New York listed firm launched new models in March. Now, Jiong Shao warned clients in his research note today that NEO may not be able to meet consensus estimates this year. He's dovish because the EV firm, based out of China, has limited new product launches in the pipeline planned for the rest of this year. Now, NEO shares will likely be weighed as competition in the EV market continues to fire up in China. As of today, the Chinese Passenger Car Association said sales of China-made Tesla vehicles were up 2% in March versus a year ago. So, as Tesla goes, the entire EV space goes. And shares of Tesla are down 30% this year alone. All right, so this is the weekly chart. And as you can see, this leg down origin stemmed from roughly this $10 level back in December. And you can see how price based for weeks at this target level at $6 as the buyers and sellers were duking it out for position. But right now the sellers are in control based on this leg down. Let's go to the daily chart. So again, you had this basing, sideways price action. Again, sellers are now in control as prices are below the pivot low. More importantly, you have closes below the pivot low. Yes, prices are overbought based on the RSI. However, prices can be more overbought. So the analyst has a $4.50 target. That's about 7 cents away. My new target is $4. Scrolling back out to the weekly chart. What you really need to see, if you really want some real confirmation, you need to see prices close above $7. So depending on how aggressive or conservative you are, depending on your long-term objectives and financial objectives, one can get long now. Me, I'm conservative. I personally want to see confirmation of a reversal type pattern on high volume but I'm going to take my cues from Tesla. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.